Hey guys, what's going on? Fired up today. I got a good friend of mine who is a realtor with a bigger brokerage, and he's thinking about going to a smaller brokerage. And the reason is he wants a bigger cut, right? So I'm not signed with a bigger broker, smaller broker, anything like that. There's reasons to go with both. But here is his big question, the monster question. I do a ton of my business through buyers coming through my open houses, right? Doesn't have any listings, does a ton of buyer business. So he's worried about going to the newer broker, the smaller broker who doesn't have any listings, right? This guy does something completely different with his real estate license, isn't focused on buying and selling, he's doing something else. And so he's worried that he won't have any open houses to go to. So the question is it worth it? What do I do? Can I go do open houses for other brokers? Dude, here's my answer. You're thinking way too small. Way too small. Quit thinking about if you can do open houses for other brokers. What are you thinking, man? Who cares? Who cares if you can? Go out and get more listings. You have a ton of charisma. You got a big personality. You are a hard worker. You're smart, right? Reach out to some people. You can get 3, 4, 5 listings easy in a month. That's not a problem. And then you can just blow those up, right? There's your open house list right there if that's what you want to do, right? Here's the second thing. Why would you want to take a buyer, right? This is the focus of your business as a buyer when you're getting not even a sale on average, right? You're getting 0.8, 0.9 sales per buyer, I'm guessing. With a listing, you're gonna get that listing. You're possibly gonna have the buyer. You're gonna get referrals. You're gonna get sign calls. You're gonna get people coming to your open house, right? It's not somebody else's. Don't do work for somebody else, man. Go get your own listings, all right? Here's another thing to consider, right? Point number 3. In a lot of markets, if you've got the listing, you get 60-40 of the commission or 55-45 of that commission. At worst, it's 50-50, right? But you own the bigger part of the commission. Here's the 4th reason to go after listings, man. You want to go on vacation, you want to take a break, you get sick, you break your leg, whatever, right? So you got to take a little bit of time off. Dude, if you don't have any inventory, you're done. If you don't have buyers out there moving and you're buyer focused, you're done, man. The income stops. If you've got listings, you can sit there on your phone, you can field calls, you have inventory. It's like you're running a store, baby. People are coming in, they're looking at your stuff. You've got a store. So you absolutely need to get those listings, right? So, hey, I'm going to end this with this. Think bigger, baby. You got to think bigger. If your biggest problem is how am I going to do open houses for other people if I move to another brokerage, dude, you got to open up that mind, man. Get bigger. There's no way you're going to grow, baby. Stay fired up.